Okay, we're going to solve this improper integral here. It goes from 0 to infinity. It consists of x squared over square root of 1 plus x cubed in the integrand. So first we check, as always, if something makes the denominator be 0. In this case, yeah, something makes the denominator be 0. That would be if x is equal to -1. Because -1 cubed is -1. 1 minus 1 would give us 0, square rooted, which is just 0, here in the denominator. That's something we don't want to happen. But yet, is -1 within our bounds? No, it's not. It's not within our bounds, so we don't have to split this into two different integrals. We don't have to worry about that. So we can just go ahead and do the limit as t approaches infinity from 0 to t of this thing, x squared over square root 1 plus x cubed dx. So how do we integrate this? U substitution. We let u be what's inside of the square root. U equals 1 plus x cubed. Du, therefore, is 3x squared dx. This gives us 1/3. We divide by 3 on both sides. Du equals x squared dx. X squared dx, we can find it here. So we could go ahead and make this substitution 1/3 from 0 to t. And we just have du, and we no longer have this. So it's 1 over the square root of u. Now, we could go ahead and integrate this. So this is u to the -1/2. It's u to the -1/2. And if we integrate, we just add 1 and then divide by whatever that is. So in this case, if we add 1, we get 1/2 as the power, and divide by 1/2, that's multiplying by 2. So we have 2/3 u to the 1/2. So that we don't have to change the bounds, we have 0 and t. Let's substitute back that 1 plus x cubed. 1 plus x cubed, 1 plus x cubed is square rooted, because it was to the power of 1/2. And this is all from 0 to t. From 0 to t. And we're taking the limit. Don't forget the limit. The limit from t as t goes to infinity. So first we plug in the upper bound, and then we're going to subtract the lower bound. So limit as t approaches infinity, we've got 2/3 square root 1 plus t cubed minus, and then we plug in 0. There's not going to be a t in there, so we don't really have to put the limit over here. And we could go ahead and just notice what it's going to be. I mean, if you plug in 0 and you add that to 1, and 1 is under the square root, that's just 1. Multiplied by 2/3, it's just 2/3. So we're subtracting 2/3. We're subtracting 2/3. Go ahead and put the infinity in here and see what happens. If you add 1 plus infinity, well, that's just infinity. Square root of infinity is still infinity. Multiply that by 2/3, it's still infinity. So we have infinity minus 2/3, which diverges. This tells us it diverges because it's just infinity, really.